Hey guys, it's Ruth. I just wanted to quickly show you how to set up the new after hours alert. So first you're going to go to settings and alerts, and then you're going to add an alert, name it. So I'm just going to call this after hours. And then if you're creating this under your reseller admin account, you'll have a drop down here for which customers you want to select if you're setting it up for them. Otherwise, if a customer's logged in under their ID, their company will automatically generate right there, so they don't have to worry about that drop down. Then you're just going to go to the select alert type, and of course it's after hours and then after business hours. So then in this area here, when you're putting in the time, you want to put in the hours of operation for that customer. So let's say their business hours are 7 a.m. to 5 p.m. You're going to do 7 a.m. and then you're actually going to select 4:59 p.m. That's the way that we needed to have it set up. If this customer has weekend hours, then you can just select this little checkbox and it will use the same hours over here for the weekend. Otherwise, if you leave this blank, it will automatically send an alert if their company vehicle has an ignition on event over the weekend at any time. Then you're going to go here to I would think most customers are going to select all vehicles, but maybe you just want to check a specific one. You're going to select that one and move it over. When you select all vehicles, they automatically chooses all of them. And then you're going to want to just enter your user email right here. So whoever wants to receive that alert, if you're setting up the email alert, or you can select all users. It's going to verify, are you sure you want everybody to get this? So probably most times you're just going to be entering maybe a supervisor's email address or maybe even your own. Here you can also select to have that go to the action board. I would imagine most customers are going to just want that to be an email only alert, but you never know. And then you just select save and you're all set. Hopefully that was helpful. Let us know if you have any questions.